A user can request different types of historical asset price and volume data. Historical bar data. This data is requested by calling the reqHistoricalData method in the EClient class. Every request needs to have certain arguments defined such as the contract, durationString, or barSizeSetting. Examples of this request in Python will be given in future episodes. The returned response will be delivered via the historicalData callback method in the forms of candles. The time zone of returned bars is the time zone chosen in TWS on the login screen. If data is not available for a specific asset, data type, or period within a TWS chart, it will also not be available from the TWS API. If reqHistoricalData is called with keepUpToDate equal false, once all candlesticks have been received, the historicalDataEnd callback will be executed. However, if it is called with keepUpToDate equal true, bar updates will keep being returned to the historicalDataUpdate callback. The keepUpToDate argument can only be used with bar sizes 5 seconds or greater and requires that endDate is set as the empty string. You can find valid duration strings, bar sizes, and data types together with available data per product in the TWS API documentation. Histogram data can also be requested. Histograms return data as a function of price level upon calling the method reqHistoricalData. Historical times on sales data. This corresponds to the method reqHistoricalText in the EClient class, and it is the highest granularity of historical data that can be retrieved via the TWS API. Data is returned to the functions historicalText, historicalTextBitAsk, and historicalTextLast, depending on the data type requested. You can find all the documentation regarding this in the TWS API. It is important to remark the historical data limits section in which information is detailed about pacing violations for small bars, step sizes, to define the ratio between the historical data request duration period and its granularity, that is, the bar size, and the unavailable historical data options.